Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lecture on my YouTube channel Study Lab. Our today's topic is Introduction to Linguistics. Have you ever wondered how language works? Why do we speak the way we do? How do children learn language so effortlessly? Well, linguistics has the answers. Today we'll explore what linguistics is, why it matters, and how it helps us understand the incredible complexity of human language. Let's dive in. An introduction. Linguistics is the study of language. It's not the study of languages. What's the difference? Although linguists look at individual languages, when they do, they have the big picture in mind. Their goal is to understand the nature of human language. Individual languages are like different models of cars. For cars, each model varies according to engine size, wheelbase, transmission, and passenger capacity, but they all share a common set of traits. Same thing with languages. Each language varies according to sound inventory, vocabulary, sentence patterns, and so on. But they all have a common set of traits. So, linguistics is the study of language in all its aspects. It provides a general methodology for exploring the structure of particular languages. Linguistics investigates what is universal to all languages, how language varies over time and between different societies, how language is learnt, and how language is used for human communication, etc. Linguistics can be defined as the scientific or systematic study of language. It is a science in the sense that it scientifically studies the rules, systems, and principles of human languages. Anyone who studies a language with a purpose to describe and explain any topic related to language is called linguist. There are two main purposes of linguistics, which are: it studies the nature of language and tries to establish a theory of language, and describe languages in the light of the theory established. It examines all the forms of language in general and seeks a scientific understanding of the ways in which it is organized to fulfill the needs it serves and the functions it performs in human life. Most linguists agree that all human languages have the following 6 traits in common. Language is used to communicate. Language is composed of arbitrary signs. Language is hierarchically organized. Humans produce and perceive language using auditory, visual, and even tactile modalities. Language is unique to human beings. Humans are genetically endowed for language. Now, if we talk further, then key concepts in linguistics can be discussed as human language has numerous features that distinguish it from other communication systems. People have unconscious knowledge of language and use this knowledge to speak and understand language. All languages have grammar, a system of phonological, morphological, syntactic, and semantic rules. A language is really a continuum of language varieties that change over space and time. Children are hardwired to acquire a linguistic rule system, and they do so while very young, without direct teaching. All languages have the same basic framework: universal grammar. There are some branches of linguistics which are majorly discussed in the concept of Introduction to Linguistics. These are discussed as microlinguistics. It includes phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics, level of the language. And the second major branch is macrolinguistics. It includes sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, neurolinguistics, stylistics, discourse analysis, computational linguistics, cognitive linguistics, applied linguistics, corpus linguistics, etc. Microlinguistics adopts the narrower view. It is concerned solely with the structures of the language system in itself and for itself. While macrolinguistics adopts the broader view, it is concerned with the way languages are acquired, stored in the brain, and used for various functions, interdependence of language and culture, physiological and psychological mechanisms involved in language behavior. Now let's talk about the branches of linguistics, which comes under the umbrella of microlinguistics. First is phonetics, the inventory of sounds in a language. Second is phonology, rules of how sounds are combined in a language. Third one is morphology, rules of word formation in a language. Fourth is syntax, rules of sentence formation in a language. Fifth branch is semantics, rules that govern how meaning is expressed by words and sentences in a language. Sixth is pragmatics, a linguistics branch which links language with external world, the study of language in use. while on the other hand, these sub-branches comes under the umbrella of macro-linguistics. The first one is sociolinguistics. It is the study of the relations between language and society, how social factors influence the structure and use of language. Second one is psycholinguistics. It is basically the study of language and mind, the mental structures and processes which are involved in the acquisition, comprehension, and production of language. The third one is neurolinguistics, the study of language processing and language, representation in the brain. It typically studies the disturbances of language comprehension and production caused by the damage of certain areas of the brain. Fourth branch is stylistics, the study of how literary effects can be related to linguistic features. It usually refers to the study of written language, including literary text, but it also investigates spoken language sometimes. Fifth branch is discourse analysis or text linguistics. It is the study of the relationship between language and the context in which language is used. It deals with how sentences in spoken and written language form larger, meaningful units. Sixth one is computational linguistics. It is an approach to examine different aspects of language which employs mathematical techniques, often with the help of a computer. Seventh branch is cognitive linguistics. It is also an approach to the analysis of natural language that focuses on language as an instrument for organizing, processing, and conveying information. Another branch is applied linguistics, SAL, is the study which is primarily concerned with the application of linguistic theories, methods, and findings to the elucidation of language problems which have arisen in other areas of experience. Educational linguistics, speech pathology, application of linguistics to language teaching, translation studies. The other one is corpus linguistics, the study of language as expressed in corpora, samples, of real-world text. Anthropological linguistics, the study of language in cross-cultural setting. Last branch, we have philosophical linguistics. It is the link between language and logical thought. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, comments, and share. If you guys want to get more information or other videos, please do subscribe my channel Study Lab and press the bell icon to stay updated for the latest video.